Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Eid is coming up real soon. So for that I created this subtle yet glam makeup look with a bold Arabic eyeliner. A lot of you guys requested for an Eid makeup look on my Instagram, so here it is. It is wearable but has a lot of emphasis on the eyes, which makes it special to wear it for Eid. So if you want to know how I achieved this subtle yet glam Eid makeup look, then please do continue watching. I've cleansed my face using the Dermavive Hydra cleanser off camera. And I'm going to follow it up using the Neutriderm Vitamin E moisturizing lotion, which acts as a nice barrier between the skin and the makeup, provides a good amount of hydration to your skin, and your makeup really sits beautifully on top of this moisturizer, and it's a very easily absorbing product as well. So I'm just massaging that to my face and neck. I also applied a thick layer of lip balm before I begin with the makeup. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown and using the spoolie to first comb through my brows, and then I'm going to use the pencil itself to fill in any gaps on my eyebrows. And I'm keeping my eyebrows slightly on the thicker side for today's look because we have a lot of emphasis on the eyes, so I'm making sure that the eyebrow doesn't get hidden while I do my makeup. Then I'm going to take the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. I think this is the shade Warm Caramel or Warm Tan. I'll put it in the description box. So I'm only using the concealer to sort of define the under portion of my eyebrows, not on top of the eyelids. So yeah, I'm just focusing the concealer just to clean up my eyebrows and using my PAC 219 concealer blending brush to blend out the concealer here. Not gonna bring it to my eyelid because I'm gonna apply an eye primer over there. So I'm just focusing that under my brows. So I'm taking my Milani eyeshadow primer. So this one has a bit of a tint to it, not too much. It's almost like a clear eye primer. So I'm just popping 2 dots of that on each of my eye and blending it out using my fingertips. This creates a smooth canvas on my eyes and kind of conceals the veins on my eyelids, but still my skin peeks through, which is what I was looking for this makeup look today. So then I took my Hoola Caramel Bronzer from Benefit. So I'm going to use that as a transition color onto the crease just to add a bit of warmth there because we don't have any eyeshadow work for today. So this is just going to act as a beautiful contour on my crease. So I'm just applying that all over the crease using a blending brush and making sure that it is blended completely. Then I'm going to take this Revolution dual-ended eyeshadow thingy, which has a glitter on one side and a metallic eyeshadow on the other side. So I'm taking the glitter side and just applying the glitter all over my eyelids. This is just going to add a nice and beautiful sparkly effect onto the eyes without adding any eyeshadow. And I really wanted that beautiful sparkly eye look for today's look. So yeah, I'm just tapping the glitter all over my eyes using my ring finger just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. To prime my face, I'm using the NYX Angel Veil Primer and applying that on the main areas of my face using my finger and blend it out again using my fingertips. This is a beautiful primer, especially if you have oily skin. This just adds a beautiful filter-like effect onto your skin, blurs out all your pores and really controls your oil and keeps your makeup on for really long. So yeah, I'm just applying that all over my face. And then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, which is an orange color corrector, to color correct the hyperpigmentation around my mouth, underneath my eyes, on top of my dark circles, and also to color correct any acne spots onto the cheeks. Then I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, which is damp, to blend out all of the color corrector. Once that is done, I'm going to apply my foundation, for which I have used my NARS All Day Radiant Wear Long Wear Foundation, which has a long name. So my shade is Tahoe in this foundation range, and I'm applying that foundation starting from the inner part of my face using a buffing brush from PAC. I'm going for a full coverage look for today, so I'm applying a lot of foundation for today's look and making sure that it is blended completely onto my skin. I'm also applying a little bit of the foundation onto my neck as well, just to make sure that there is no demarcation. Again, I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer and using that to conceal underneath my eyes and sort of on the inner corners of my eyes, because my dark circles are really getting to the inner corners of my eyes. So I'm making sure that it is nice and bright on the under eyes, because we do have a bold winged eyeliner coming up. So I want to make sure that my under eyes are completely concealed. Again, I'm using my PAC 219 concealer blending brush to blend out all of the concealer away. Now to set and bake my face, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. So I'm applying that underneath my eyes using the same damp sponge from e.l.f. and also applying that to the center of my forehead and around my mouth, where I know I will get oily and my face will crease. Moving back to the eyes, I'm using my Kiko Milano gel eyeliner in a black shade. This is a beautiful eyeliner. So I'm using my Lacara eyeliner brush to create a super bold winged eyeliner on both my eyes. I took my own sweet time to create my winged eyeliner because I really wanted to get my eyeliner perfect for this look, because it is very on the dramatic side. So I'm using short little strokes to create my eyeliner, and whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to use that to create my wing, which is going to be super long and sharp. I connected the wing to the top eyeliner that I created and just filled in all the gap. I also did this really tiny inner corner wing on both my eyes, which created that Arabic effect on my eye, and I thought it would be perfect for Eid. So yeah, I'm just creating an inner corner wing and connecting it to the bottom lash line, and whatever powder was resting on my face, I just brushed off using a powder brush. And then to set the rest of the face, I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics Dream Matte Compact Powder to set the rest of the area of my face and just to mattify it. Again, I'm going to take my Hoola Caramel Bronzer and just run that underneath my eyes on my lower lash line, just to add a bit of warmth there. Then I took my MAC kohl pencil in the shade Minted, which is this really beautiful shimmery emerald green, and I thought this would be a perfect eyeliner to go for on the waterline and lash line. So I'm just applying a very thick layer of this green kohl on the lower lash line and lower waterline and connecting it to the inner wing and the outer wing. Then I took my Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit to coat my top and bottom eyelashes. Again, I took my Hoola Caramel Bronzer from Benefit to chisel the features out, such as the hollows of my cheeks, the perimeters of my forehead, under my chin, on my jawline, and also on the sides of my nose. This is a very beautiful bronzer on my complexion and acts as a bronzer and contour in one. So I love this bronzer on my skin and blends without any effort. So yeah, I've been really liking this bronzer lately. For blusher, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Blusher in the shade Mauve, which is such a pretty mauve matte blusher. So I'm just applying that in a sculpting way right on top of the contour that I applied. Not applying too much because I want the focus to be on the eyes, so I'm just adding a hint of blush to the cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm using my K-Beauty highlighter in the shade Honey Glaze, which is this really pretty golden finely milled highlighter. So just popping that on the tops of my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and also use the same highlighter to highlight my brow bone as well. Moving on to the lips, I'm using my Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in the shade Rich Chocolate, which is like this muted terracotta brown lip liner. So I'm just going to use that to slightly overdraw my lips, and I'm going to completely fill in my lips using this lip liner just to create a base for the lipstick that is going to go on top of this lip liner. For lipstick, I'm using the PAC Cosmetics Retro Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Nuttydoodle, which is like this beautiful peachy nude shade. So just applying that all over my lips, and I really love this lip color combo on for today's makeup look. And off camera, I added the CS Essentials lashes in the style Norah, which went perfectly for today's eye makeup look with a bit of winged shape to it. So just pop them off camera, and now gonna set my face using my current favorite setting spray, which is the Smashbox Natural Finish Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. It really holds my makeup intact and my makeup doesn't go anywhere. So yeah, just spraying that generously all over my face, and here is my finished Eid makeup look, which is subtle but glam at the same time, has a bit of sparkliness to the eyes and a bold winged eyeliner to really accentuate your eye shape, and a beautiful subtle nude lip to pair for this makeup look. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this Eid makeup tutorial, and if you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new one, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!